guys are getting married tomorrow.
Pump it up, pump it up.
It was all cheer camp and lesson plans, waiting for a man to take her hand. But she stood firmly, waited patiently. She had her choice of many boys, but this one saw her class of boys. It was pumpkin carving that led to the ring. He got on one knee and she said yes. Hey, already looking for that dress. Found the church, found the band. Now Ricky's gonna give her hand. He got on one knee and she said yes. Hey, get ready, no time to rest. We've seen it all, we've seen it now. She caught the eye of the birdie, she's flirty. Those blind dates weren't purty. This marriage is happening, and we wanna see baby birds sooner rather than later. This magic is happening. We wanna see baby birds. We wanna see baby birds. Now things have changed for Dr. B. It's more than kids with allergies. He went from bachelor to Chesley's father. She said yes, hey, already looking for that dress. Found the church, found the band. Now Ricky's gonna give her hand. He got on one knee and she said yes, hey.